Mid-frequency gate and upward compress. For this next step, I'm going to bring up quieter aspects of the mid-frequencies, but in a way that doesn't increase the noise floor. First, let's again set up a send from our channel track, and on the corresponding auxiliary track, insert a linear phase EQ. With it, I'll isolate the mid-frequencies, usually between 4 to 500 Hz and 5 kHz. I'll use low and high pass filters to isolate the range, but this time, use more gradual slopes, usually 18 to 24 dB per octave, should work well. Then, I'll insert a gate which will attenuate the vocal whenever it falls below a specific amplitude, as determined by the threshold. I'll set the threshold around -50 dB and use a softer knee with a little look ahead. I'll use this FabFilter gate, but if you don't have it, you could use the M compressor by Melda Audio. If you set a 1:1 ratio and select custom shape, you could determine when the amplitude of the signal is going to be attenuated. In this instance, we'll want to drop the amplitude whenever the signal falls below 50 dB. Last up, let's insert the upward compressor MV2 and increase the low-level signal. This will measure and compress quieter parts of the signal, then introduce makeup gain to amplify the details of the mid-frequency range. Now, since we inserted a gate before this, the noise floor won't be amplified by the MV2. Now, although the MV2 is an affordable option, a good free alternative is OTT by Xfer Records. Once we've dialed in the amount of compression and made any needed adjustments to the EQ or the gate, we can determine how much of this effect that we want by adjusting the aux tracks channel fader.